Imagine a moment when you are alone, enveloped in the serenity of the night, and suddenly, a gentle breeze caresses your face. It's as if the universe is whispering your name. Have you ever wondered if, at this very moment, your soulmate is thinking of you too? The connection between you is so intense that it transcends time and space. Even from a distance, there's an invisible thread that binds you together, a deep calling that echoes within the depths of your souls. Spiritual signs are like stars shining in a night sky. They appear when we least expect them, bringing messages from the angels who guide us. A repeated number, a song playing at a significant moment, or even a vivid dream. Each of these signs carries emotional weight, revealing not only what is happening around you but also what lies within you. They serve as reminders that you are not alone. You are surrounded by love and divine protection, and the presence of your soulmate is a vital part of this journey. But within us often hides a maze of doubts and fears. What happens if you feel unworthy of this love? What if insecurities prevent you from opening up to this connection? The mind can be a prison, filled with voices that question your ability to love and be loved. And in moments of vulnerability, it's easy to get lost in a sea of uncertainties, fearing that happiness is always out of reach. What if I told you that the presence you feel is not just an echo of the past, but a real opportunity knocking at your door? The angels are here to remind you that love is not just a distant dream, but a reality within your reach. Your soulmate is not just thinking of you, they are waiting for you to recognize this connection. The true obstacle is not the other person, but the resistance you put between yourself and your own heart. It's time to tear down those barriers and allow yourself to be vulnerable. Now, the most important question: what are you going to do with this knowledge? Love doesn't wait. It doesn't settle for inertia. You can choose to stay in your comfort zone, or you can decide to take a bold step into the unknown. Imagine looking into your soulmate's eyes and feeling the certainty that everything was worth it. Your decision doesn't have to be grand. It can be as simple as sending a message or opening your heart. The big question is, will you take action now, or will you spend the rest of your life wondering what could have been? Transformation begins within you. It's time to listen to the whisper of the angels and let love guide your way. Have you ever stopped to think about how the universe manifests before us? In the blink of an eye, a number appears repeatedly in your life, or a song plays exactly when you need to hear it. These are not mere coincidences. They are subtle signs from the angels, trying to communicate with you. They whisper in your ear, revealing profound truths as you navigate this labyrinth we call life. But are you paying attention to these signs? Angels have their own language, a dance of synchronicities that unfolds before us. A white feather that falls at your feet, the glow of a light that seems brighter in moments of doubt, or even a vivid dream that lingers in your mind. Each of these moments is an opportunity for connection. They come to guide you, to remind you that you are not alone. Your soulmate, the being who resonates deeply with your spirit, may be thinking of you right now, sending love through the invisible threads that unite us. But what exactly does this mean? However, as you delve deeper into this journey, it's normal to encounter doubts and fears. You may feel stuck in a cycle of uncertainties, questioning whether you truly deserve this love or if you are worthy of the blessings the angels promise. What if I'm not ready? What if this connection is just an illusion? These thoughts can feel like insurmountable mountains, blockages that prevent you from seeing clearly what lies ahead. But what if I told you that these fears are, in fact, part of your path? What if realizing that your soulmate is just a thought away is the key to the transformation you seek? What you perceive as obstacles are, in reality, disguised invitations to look within and confront your insecurities. The angels are not here just to comfort you. They are here to challenge you to grow, to break free from the chains you've created for yourself. Now, imagine a moment of clarity. You realize that every sign is an opportunity, a reminder that true transformation begins within you. The angels are knocking at your door, calling for your attention. The question that echoes is, are you ready to take action? Love does not wait. It does not care about the time or the barriers you place in its path. It is an invitation for you to express yourself, to allow yourself to love and be loved. The big question now is, will you allow yourself to open that door and take a step toward what you truly desire? Or will you continue to live in uncertainty, wondering what could have been? The choice is yours, and the angels are here, ready to guide you on your journey. The moment is now. Have you ever felt a shiver run down your spine, an inexplicable sensation that someone is thinking about you? It's as if the universe has conspired to send you a message, a whisper from beyond the veil. You pause, the world around you fades, and in that stillness, a question lingers. What if this connection is more profound than you ever imagined? In the sacred dance between the seen and the unseen, angels communicate through subtle signs. A fleeting thought, a song that plays on repeat, or the sudden appearance of a feather can be their gentle nudges, guiding you closer to your truth. They remind you that love is not just a feeling, it is a force that transcends time and space. When your soulmate thinks of you, it's not merely a coincidence, it's a celestial alignment, urging you to pay attention to the signs around you. Yet, in the quiet moments, shadows creep in. You may find yourself wrestling with doubts, insecurities gnawing at your heart. Is this connection real? What if you're imagining things? The fear of vulnerability can stifle your spirit. You wonder if you're worthy of such love, or if past wounds will forever keep you locked in a cycle of doubt. These thoughts swirl like a tempest, obscuring your path to the deep connection you crave. But what if I told you that these fears are merely illusions, crafted by your mind to protect you? In the depths of your uncertainty lies a profound revelation. Those very doubts are the obstacles preventing you from embracing the love that is destined for you. The angels are here to tell you that love is not about perfection, it's about authenticity. It's about showing up, scars and all, and trusting that your vulnerability will lead to the connection you seek. So here lies the challenge. Will you allow these fears to define your journey, or will you step into the light of possibility? The universe is waiting for you to take that leap of faith. Reflect on your heart's desires. Feel the weight of your doubts, then release them. The question isn't whether your soulmate is thinking of you, it's whether you are ready to embrace the love that beckons. The time has come to act. Open your heart, confront those insecurities, and choose to believe in the magic of love. You have the power to transform your reality. Will you seize it, or will you let the echoes of fear silence your truth? The choice is yours. Have you ever stopped to feel the energy in the air? A gentle breeze that seems to whisper secrets, an unexpected glimmer that brightens the day. What if I told you that your soulmate is closer than you think, thinking of you at this very moment? But there's something, an invisible barrier, that prevents this connection from manifesting fully. What could be so strong that it challenges the power of love? The signs from the angels are all around you, manifesting in subtle and profound ways. You might see a sequence of numbers, hear a song that speaks directly to your heart, or even feel a shiver when you think of that special person. These are reminders that you are not alone, that there are divine forces guiding you. But what if these signs also reveal the hidden truth about what is truly blocking your union? Now, take a deep breath. Think about your insecurities, the doubts you carry, fears of not being enough, of opening up to love again, of getting hurt once more. These uncertainties can feel like chains, holding your heart to a past that no longer serves you. You may ask yourself, what if I'm not worthy of this love? The pain of rejection can be paralyzing, and the idea of exposing yourself to another person can seem daunting. But what if I told you that the hidden truth is much simpler than you think? The unexpected revelation is that what stands between you and your soulmate isn't a lack of love or inadequacy, but rather the fear of allowing yourself to be vulnerable. Angels are calling you to see that the only thing truly preventing this union is yourself. The light you seek isn't outside, it's within you. It takes courage to open your heart, to believe that true love is possible. Now, faced with this revelation, it's time to take action. Are you ready to confront your fears? To take a step into the unknown? Love doesn't wait. The question is, will you choose to open your heart, even if it means facing pain? Or will you continue living in the shadows, wondering what could have been? Life is made up of choices, And this could be the decision that changes everything. The time is now. Love is waiting for you. You walk through a quiet park, the sun setting low in the sky, casting golden rays that dance upon the leaves. A gentle breeze brushes against your skin, almost like a whisper. Suddenly, you feel it, a flutter in your heart, a sense that something profound is trying to reach you. Have you ever felt that unmistakable pull, as if the universe itself is urging you to pay attention? This is not mere coincidence. The angels are always around us, sending us signs and messages that can illuminate our paths. They communicate in subtle ways, through synchronistic events, unexpected encounters, or even that fleeting thought that nudges at you from within. When you notice a repeated number sequence, a song that resonates deeply, or a dream that seems too vivid to ignore, know that these are divine nudges meant to guide you. They are attempting to reveal truths about your heart, especially regarding love and connection. Yet, amidst this celestial communication, a shadow looms. Doubts creep in, don't they? You may find yourself asking, am I worthy of love? Or what if I'm not ready for this? The fears of past heartbreaks, the weight of previous failures, and the uncertainty of the future can become heavy chains that bind you to a place of inaction. You feel the presence of your soulmate nearby, thinking of you, yet you remain paralyzed by what-ifs and self-doubt. And then, a moment of clarity strikes like lightning. What if the angels are not merely trying to show you that your soulmate is thinking of you, but that this is your moment, a pivotal chance to break free from those chains? What if your choices today can reshape the very fabric of your love story? The obstacle is not outside of you, it resides within. You hold the power to choose love over fear, action over inaction. Now, I invite you to pause and reflect. What if today is the day you decide to step into your power? The love you desire is waiting, but it requires courage to act. Will you allow your doubts to dictate your destiny, or will you choose to trust in the divine timing of the universe? The heart knows the way, but it is up to you to follow its call. The choice is yours. Will you seize this moment and take that leap of faith? Or will you remain forever curious about the love that could have been? Remember, the angels are cheering you on, ready to support you as you step into the life you truly desire. The path ahead is bright, but only if you dare to walk it. The sunlight filters through the leaves, creating a pattern of dancing shadows on the ground. You find yourself in a tranquil place, but your mind is a whirlwind. One question echoes, what if everything I've been searching for is right in front of me, but I can't see it? You feel a presence, as if the universe is whispering secrets just for you. It's an invitation, a reminder that hope and transformation are always within your reach. The angels are around you, guiding and protecting every step you take. They manifest in subtle ways, a bird singing, a butterfly passing by, a repeated number appearing in your life. These signs are messages of love and encouragement, revealing that you are not alone on this journey. They are here to help you see beyond the veil of reality, to open your eyes and heart to what truly matters. Your soulmate, the person you long for, is thinking about you right now. But there is an obstacle. And that obstacle may be yourself. Fears, insecurities, and the critical voices echoing in your mind may be holding you back. You may feel paralyzed, questioning whether you are worthy of love or deserving of the happiness you crave. What you may not realize is that this internal conflict is a barrier created by you. What seems like an insurmountable block may actually be the key to your freedom. Now imagine this. What if all you need to overcome this obstacle is a change in perspective? What if you could look at your situation in a way that reveals not just the challenges, but also the opportunities? Think about how angels are always ready to guide you, showing that every difficulty brings a lesson, a chance for growth. Just like the phoenix that rises from the ashes, you too can rise again, stronger and wiser. It's time to take action. It's time to stop seeing yourself as a victim of circumstances and start recognizing yourself as the creator of your own reality. By changing your perspective, you transform your life. Ask yourself, what am I willing to do to open my heart and let love in? Love doesn't wait. Will you allow fear to continue ruling your decisions, or will you dare to take the next step toward the happiness you deserve? Life is made up of choices. And this is yours. What you decide now can change everything. Look within, listen to your heart. The transformation has begun. Have you ever stopped to listen to the whisper of the universe? Sometimes, amid the noise of everyday life, an inexplicable feeling washes over us. It's as if a gentle yet powerful presence is enveloping us, trying to guide us down a path we often hesitate to follow. It might be a persistent thought, a number that keeps appearing, or even a song that plays and plays, echoing in our hearts. The truth is, when angels draw near, they bring messages that can transform our lives. These spiritual signs are more than mere coincidences. They manifest in moments of silence, when the mind quiets and the heart opens. The light that flickers on a dark night, the feeling of peace amidst chaos, or that intuition urging you to move forward. Angels are always present, whispering words of encouragement and love. They unveil hidden truths and show that the connection with your soulmate is not just a distant dream. It's a reality that can be reached if you're willing to listen. But what happens when doubts and fears come between you and that connection? You feel on the brink of something magnificent, yet an invisible blockage seems to hold you back, like chains tethering your soul. The fear of the unknown, the pain of past experiences, or even insecurity about what the future may bring. These barriers can be suffocating, causing you to hesitate in taking the next step. Meanwhile, your soulmate is thinking of you, imagining what it would be like if you were together, while you find yourself paralyzed. What if I told you that these fears are not the end, but the beginning of something incredible? When you allow yourself to look inward and confront your insecurities, something magical happens. The revelations from the angels are not just meant to comfort you, they are an invitation to action. They are not merely showing you that your soulmate misses you. They are revealing that this is your opportunity to act, to break the chains that bind you, and to open your heart to the love you deserve. Love doesn't wait. It's an urgent call, a task that cannot be ignored. The big question is, will you act now, or will you spend the rest of your life wondering what if? The time is now. Challenge yourself to break the barriers that keep you from experiencing this love. Take a deep breath and take the first step. Your soulmate is waiting. And the universe is by your side, ready to support you on this transformative journey. What are you waiting for? Life is too short to let love slip away. It's time to open your heart and allow yourself to be loved.